Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Hello everyone, my name is Munyu. I am your contestant number 1, proudly representing Mupung Hong Kong unit. I'm 24 years old and I am a graduate. I love reading, writing and adventures, and I aspire to be public administrator. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanyu, contestant number 2, and I am 23 years of age. I have completed my bachelor's in literature from St. John College, Dimapur, and currently serving as an assistant teacher in Tizit. My hobbies and interests are cooking, gardening, music, and watching documentaries. My aspiration in life is to be in the armed forces, and I am proudly representing Pomching unit. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lijoy, your contestant number 3. I'm 25 years of age. I've done my master's in English literature. I love listening to music because it brings calmness and peace of mind. I aspire to become a social worker so that I can render my service to people in every possible ways. I'm proudly representing Sang Unit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Esther. I am 19 years old, currently pursuing my diploma in aviation and hospitality from Flight Institute Guwahati. My interests and hobbies include traveling and modeling, and I've always aspired to become an aviational professional. And today I'm proudly representing Pomching unit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Munlim, your contestant number 5, and I'm 22 years old. I'm pursuing my BA at Pranabananda Women's College, Dimapur. My hobby is sewing, and I'm very passionate about it because it keeps me occupied and boosts my creativity. I truly aspire to become a fashion designer. Today, I'm proudly representing Dimapur unit. Thank you.
Hello viewers, I am Vanya, your contestant number 6. I am 21 years old, currently pursuing Bachelor of Arts at Wangkal Government College. I love listening to music and playing badminton, and I aspire to become a professor. Today, I am proudly representing Chen Union. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ingim Nyekunyak, contestant number 7. I am 18 years old and currently pursuing my BA at Wangkal Government College, Mon. Playing guitar is my hobby and I aspire to become a missionary because since my childhood, my parents taught me that only true service is one's life truly blessed, and I'm proudly representing Longchang unit. Thank you.
Beauty is what you feel about yourself and not what you see in the mirror is what I believe. Hello, my name is Yaili Kunyak, contestant number 8. I am 22 years of age. I love reading books and hosting events. I aspire to become a journalist and I am proudly representing Mon unit. Thank you.
Here is more the beauty than meets the eye. Hello everyone, I am Leong Kunyak, your contestant number 9. I am 19 years of age, hardworking and compassionate by nature. I am currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts at Dimapur Government College. I love reading novels and I aspire to become an independent woman so as to set an example and be a source of inspiration for the hundreds and thousands of youth. So here I am, proudly representing Naginimra unit. Thank you.
Hello, I am Lia T. Kunyak, 22 years of age, presently pursuing Bachelor of Arts in Mount Mary College, Chumukitima. I am inspired by the phrase that says, "An idle mind is a devil's workshop," so in order to keep myself occupied, I enjoy reading books, cooking and dancing, and I truly aspire to become a professor and impart my knowledge to young minds, and I am proudly representing Visit Unit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mercy Kunyak, contestant number 11, proudly representing Visit Unit. Currently, I am pursuing BA in Political Science at Pranapananda Women's College, Dimapur. I love listening to music and cooking. My aim in life is to become an army officer. My parents and sisters are my biggest inspiration. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mary Bongon, contestant number 12, proudly representing Mapong Unit. I'm 23 years of age. I did my bachelor's degree from St. Joseph College, Jakhama. My hobbies are listening to music and traveling, and I aspire to become an administrator. Thank you.
I believe in the saying, live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you are to live forever. Hello, I'm Mitra Kunyak, your contestant number 13. I'm 23 years of age. I've graduated from Kohima Science College Autonomous, Jotsoma with a degree in computer science. In my free time, I love reading books and listening to music. My ambition in life is to become a civil servant. I'm proudly representing Mon Unit. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pauline Pangmay, contestant number 14, proudly representing Kohima Unit. I'm 19 years of age. I've recently appeared my HSS-LC examination. My hobbies are dancing, calligraphy, baking, and I do photography sometimes. I truly aspire to be a good teacher. I live by the code, this is just what you're going through, not who you are. Thank you.
Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Hello everyone, my name is Pangli Anghu, contestant number 15. I am 21 years old, currently pursuing my master's degree in literature in Nagaland University. My hobbies are listening to music and gardening, and my aim in life is to become a professor. And I am proudly representing Kohima Unit. Thank you.
Hello, this is Nachui, a girl who is hardworking and strongly believes in her dreams. I'm 22 years of age. I'm your contestant number 16. I love listening to music and spending time with children. I'm a graduate in political science and currently pursuing professional teachers training in Dai Dimapur. I aspire to be an educationist. I'm proudly representing Chumukidima Unit. Thank you.
Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. Hello everyone, I am Nguplong, contestant number 17, 25 years of age. I aspire to be a professor. My hobby is listening to music. I am currently pursuing my master's in sociology. I define myself as loving, caring, hardworking and a responsible woman. And I am proudly representing Naginimura unit. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Pile, contestant number 18, proudly representing Cowboy Unit. I'm 22 years of age. I did my Bachelor of Arts from Unity College Dimapur. I'm fond of singing and listening to music, and I aspire to become a social worker. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yangam, your contestant number 19. I'm 19 years of age, currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts in SDJN Girls College Dimapur. I'm fond of singing, dancing, and listening to music, and I aspire to become a professor. And I'm proudly representing Aboy Unit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aoleang Festival. I am 20 years of age, your contestant number 20. Currently, I'm pursuing my degree in political science at Wangkau Government College. I love cooking and dancing, and I aspire to become a supermodel. And I'm proudly representing Wakjung Unit. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Leah, contestant number 21, proudly representing Apo Unit. I am 21 years of age. I did my Bachelor of Arts from Pranabananda Women's College, Dimapur. I love cooking and listening to music, and I aspire to become a professor. Thank you.